Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another daily math lesson. Today I'd like you to get out your whiteboards and your markers, and if you have an eraser, get your eraser out. For Miss Ditzel's kids, we use socks as erasers, and I'll be sharing some of those with you tomorrow. We also use our markers and whiteboards, which I will also share with you tomorrow. So, boys and girls, on your whiteboard, I'm going to draw a number using quick tens and ones, and I want you to tell me how many tens are in that number. You can make your T-square if you like. How many tens? That means how many bundles or groups of 10, and how many loose ones make up that number. That's a terrible one, by the way. All right, well, I'm going to have to fix that. We don't like it when it doesn't look right, especially when I ask you guys to form your letters correctly. Okay, here we go. How many tens and ones? I'm going to mix them up in here a little bit today. So you need to count them all and tell me what number I drew. You ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, boys and girls, I want to know, using quick tens and ones, what number did I just draw there? Go ahead, I'll give you a second to figure that out. Remember, what you want to do is count the bundles of 10 or groups of 10. Write that in the tens place. Count the loose ones and write that in the ones place. A good rule of thumb is to start with the ones, but you can start either way. It doesn't matter. Okay, we're waiting. Hopefully you are adding those together right now. I'm going to start counting the ones. You don't have to draw this, by the way. You're just counting what I have on the screen and writing it in your thing. So here we go. I'm going to count the ones, the loose circles that are not part of a group or bundle. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in the ones place, I have 5 loose ones. Now I'm going to count the bundles or groups of 10. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number that I drew here was 45. 4 bundles or groups of 10 and 5 loose ones. So the number was 45. Let's do one more quick one. Got to get my eraser out here. So first I'm going to erase the numbers, and you should probably do that too, so your place value chart is empty. And here I'm going to erase all the tens and ones that I drew. Now I'm going to get my marker back out. I'm going to do this again. Here we go. Okay, boys and girls, first I want you to count the ones up and put that number in the ones place. Then I want you to count the bundles of 10 up and put that number in the tens place, so you can tell me what number I just drew using quick tens and ones. Ready? Go. All right, boys and girls, I have labeled how many loose ones, the meaning they're not part of a group of 10, they're less than a group of 10, and I had 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many groups or bundles of 10 did I draw in this picture? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number today was 58. So you're probably wondering, why are we doing this, Mr. V? Because we're going to start adding and do a little subtracting of 2-digit numbers. And I'm going to want you to draw a picture. And if you know how to draw quick tens and ones, and then we have to add to it, we're going to show you how to add to it. Or if you have to take away from it, we're going to show you how to take away from it. All right, so I'm going to clear my board because today's activity is practicing the different ways to make, drum roll everybody, the number. We did 5, we did 6, and we did 7. So today is the number 8. So today we're going to find all the different ways to make the number 8. And we're using red and green cubes to help us. So I'm going to put an R up here for red and a G up here for green. Remember, we're going to first count the number of red and green, then we're going to make an addition sentence and then solve it. And if we're doing this right, all of the answers on our addition sentences should be the number 8. All right, let's go to the first one. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, too close. How many red do you see there, boys and girls? Now write down the green. How many green? Make your addition sentence. And here we go. I counted 8 red and 0 green. Did you guys get that? Excellent. 8 plus 0, this is my addition number sentence. I have my 2 add-ins, which are the numbers I'm adding together, plus, so 8 plus 0 equals 8. I just pulled my board down a little bit. Not good. There we go. Don't want to fall. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Excellent. Next, I'm going to go quicker today than we've been going. Count the red real quick. Count the green. Okay. I counted 7 red plus 1 green equals 8. Excellent. Next, count the red, count the green, write them down. All right, let's see how you did. How many red did you guys get there? Did you get 6? Great. How many green did you guys get? 2? See them? 1, 2 on the end. 6, 8 plus 6. Try again, Mr. V. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Excellent. Next, count your red and count your green. Got it? Excellent. How many red? 5. How many green? 3. How many altogether? 5 plus 3 equals 8. This next one is a doubles fact, which means the number of red and the number of green are going to be the same. Here we go. How many red? How many green? How many red, boys and girls? 4. How many green, boys and girls? 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. When your 2 add-ins are the same numbers, 4 and 4, that's called a doubles fact. So our doubles fact that we're going to look at today is 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, boys and girls, let's go to the next one. Count your red real quick and then count your green. Got it? Okay. How many red, boys and girls? 3. How many green, boys and girls? We're going to add that to the 3. 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Remember, in addition, if you're using the same 2 add-ins or numbers that you're adding together, it doesn't matter which one comes first and which one comes second. In addition, it doesn't matter because you'll always get the same answer. For example, the 5 is first here, so it's 5 plus 3, and you get 8. The 5 is second here, but the 3, so what we did is we just took these 2 numbers and switched them. So it's now 3 plus 5 instead of 5 plus 3, but look, you get the same answer. All right, let's do the next one. Count your red. Count your green. Got it? All right. How many red? I heard someone yell out 2 somewhere. How many green? I heard someone yell out 6. What is 2 plus 6, everybody? 8. Excellent. And look, 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. It didn't matter which one of those numbers came first. You got the same answer as long as you used the same 2 addends or numbers you're adding together. We have 2 more for today, boys and girls. Count your red. Count your green. Got it? Okay. How many red did we have, boys and girls? 1. How many green did we have, boys and girls? Did you say 7? 7 is correct. 1 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus 1. The answer we get is the same, which is 8. Last one, boys and girls, are we ready? All right, count the red. Count the green. Almost there? All right. How many red did we have in that one? We had 0. How many green did we have in that one? I believe you should have counted 8. 0 plus 8 is going to be the same answer as 8 plus 0. It's the same addends. We just switched them. 0 plus 8 is 8. So, boys and girls, these are all the different ways you can make the number 8. These are important because these are your math facts. This is a great way to practice your math facts. If you have 8 coins of any kind, quarters, nickels, dimes, I usually only have pennies laying around, but if you have 8 pennies, you can put them in a cup, you can mix them up, and you could say, I'm going to do this 10 times and see how many times I get 5 heads and 3 tails, or 5 tails and 3 heads. Doesn't matter which way it comes. How many times do I get 5 and 3 that make 8? And then you can also write them out on your board as addition sentences, just so you're practicing. It's a really fun, cool way to learn your facts. So I hope you enjoyed today's math lesson, boys and girls. Tomorrow, so we did 5, we did 6, we did 7, we did 8 today. So tomorrow we're doing what number? 5, 6, 7, 8. Say it. 9. Excellent. For Miss Ditzel's kids, you can go back. I did 8 today, so I did 7 on Monday. On Friday last week, I did 6. And on Thursday, I believe I did 5. So each day we're trying to build on this. Please, if you guys want to go back and look at any of my videos, math or the read aloud videos, this is for everybody, or even the class meetings, please go ahead and do so. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.